Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a snapshot we could not find matching account or password. To know how to fix or how to solve snapshot we could not find the matching account or password, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings here. Then in this page you will go down to find the application of snapshot and you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.